Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range now, brought out a couple 12 gauge shotguns. On top there we have the Remington 870 DM4 detachable magazine, and below is the TriStar KRX semi-auto. So we have a pump action 12 gauge magazine fed and a semi-auto 12 gauge magazine fed shotgun. This video is not going to be a comparison as to which one I think is better, but what I want to do is throw it out to the viewers. Which one do you prefer more? We're gonna do a little shooting with them, check them out, talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of each. Let's start with the Remington 870 DM. Very nice pump action shotgun. It's magazine fed, does hold 6 loads of 12 gauge. This is the magpul model, so it has magpul furniture on there. Very nice setup. Does have an SGA stock here that you can adjust your length of pull. Excess sights in the rear and the front, and does have that breeching choke there that could you know, be served as a defensive tool or a door breacher as well. But here we are about 12 yards away. Let's see how this thing works. The advantage of a pump action shotgun is that you should have very few, if any, feeding issues. So they are extremely reliable. They are pretty smooth shooting, and all in all, it's been around for years and years. People feel comfortable with these, as do I. This is a very nice model. I think that it performs outstanding. The disadvantage is that the rate of fire is a little bit slower with each of the pump action compared to the semi-auto. So let's get out the semi-auto TriStar KRX and see the difference. And here we have the TriStar KRX. Very nice shotgun. Semi-auto holds 5 shells in the magazine. I'm told they make extended ones that hold 10 shells. That's pretty cool. What I like about this model is that it has AR-15 like controls, from the charger to the pick titty rail to the mag release, and the overall look of the shotgun kind of resembles an AR-15, which is very common features. Now, if there's a problem with the semi-auto shotgun, by and large, it would be feeding. And if you have a jam or something like that, it would take a little more to deal with than with the pump action, which typically will not jam. So the rate of fire is its major advantage. Let's go ahead and fire this thing and see what you think. Very nice. So it resembles an AR. It fires quicker, holds 5 shells, and a very smooth shotgun. I'm getting some debris back from the dust of that hill, but nonetheless, awesome shotgun overall, and the semi-auto rate of fire is quick. So the question I have is, which one do you like? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you have? Which one do you want to get? Do you like the pump action 12 gauge shotgun? Or do you prefer a semi-auto 12 gauge shotgun? Let me know. Or if there's another type of shotgun that you like better, let me know. Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.